What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another episode of Also with JesseW. Today we're going to go over a day trading recap. Went 2 for 3. Check it out. Alright guys, so I'm going to go ahead and jump into this video. Today I went 2 for 3, but only one of those out of those two green trades, only one was an actual trade. The other one was just like a mental paper trade because I didn't have shorts to short the stock itself. So, and then the other one was a red trade. We're going to go over both of those. I do have them live recorded here, and I'm a little distracted here because I'm looking at UONE. It's making, I'm looking at the SPY too. I mean, this thing, it's like, oh, we're going up. Nah, we're going down. Ah, we're going up. Nah, down. Oh my God, we're going to crash and burn. Nope. It's insanity. And yes, that is a legit real candle. I saw this happen live. That's not a misprint. UONE, here we go. Man, that would have been a nice little bounce entry here at VWAP, right here at 17. That would have been a real nice entry there. I mean, you'd already be up $1.25 a share. And, oh, look, there it goes. There it goes. Well, that's what it is. I was expecting this to just consolidate a little bit more, just maybe one or two more candles down here, or in this range. Well, there it goes. Come on, man. Oh, wow. Break over 20, and we got room to 22. Break over 22, and tons of space, tons of room. All right, let's focus up here. Let's get back to it. I have two trades today. Both of them were on AEMD. AEMD, as you can see, that rhymes. Extremely choppy here. So we're going to go over both of these live trades. UONE is halted right now to the upside, right in front of the high of day. So this might kind of kill momentum a little bit, and it might not break the high now. Regardless, that entry I was talking about was spot on. That's really the name of the game. So AEMD, massive gap up here from $1.40 all the way up here to a high day of $3.73. Insane move. We also had another big mover here in ALPN. Well, as far as it gapped up, I mean, yesterday was a $4 stock, and today it hit a high of 15 bucks. Massive. Like, these things are gapping up overnight insanely, out of nowhere. Then just fade. Like, this was a shorter's dream right now, especially under this VWAP. Real nice, like, short here. Like, look at this. Boom. Halted to the downside. Can't get up over VWAP. If it gets up over VWAP, we could see a little squeeze here, move up to like 1250 at least. But my trade was on AEMD, and I took two trades on this. The first trade was on this first VWAP break right here with the increase in volume. Real nice. Let me move. There we go. You see this VWAP break right here? Look at that volume bar. That's a real nice steady increase in volume. Real nice increase in volume on the VWAP break itself, but it couldn't hold. Stopped out right there for a loss. Got right back in here, and we're going to go over on the live trade. We're going to go over exactly why I got back into this trade here. More increase in volume. Had a quick push. Got a partial off up here. And then the rest held and just stopped out of it, basically break even. So we're going to go over both of those live trades here. Didn't take this here because for what reason, right? I did a paper short in my head, I guess you could say, right in here when we broke underneath VWAP. Got short right in here at 280 and took some profit off here at 260 and the rest here at 250 because it was a support zone earlier. And then on this flush took some more off and then held the rest, and I think I got stopped out somewhere in here on it, but this was a mental. However, it was a real nice mental trade there. No shorts on this, as you can see. Hard to borrow, it says it right up here, so no shorts available there. So we move on. Now let's go ahead and grab the live trades. As I do me a quick favor. Smash that like button for me, subscribe to the channel, and make sure to check out Webull. Webull is super easy, easier than today's trading, and all you got to do is open up an account, like download the app, open up an account, fund your account with just $100, and you get 2 free stocks. They can be valued anywhere between $1,200 to $1,400. It's a no-brainer, guys. And then you got first trade down there. Just open up an account and download the app, open up an account, and you get 1 free stock just for doing that. And AMD is actually looking really good there, but volume is lacking tremendously. So let's go ahead and grab the first trade here on AMD. Is this not it? Oh, okay, yeah, boom. So you see me get into it. Oh, cool. So I was already recording. That's cool. I didn't even know I did that. So, okay, so we're in there, boom. I'm in 500 shares at 288. I'm holding my stop. You know, we're holding VWAP. The idea here is this candle broke over VWAP, held it, nice increase in volume on it. We're holding VWAP, so I'm holding my stop just underneath this candle here. The reality is my stop should have been the 90 MA, but I didn't realize 90 MA was going to hold support. Man, it's starting to go again at $3. You can see it here in the corner. So I'm in there just 500 shares. Okay, I'm looking to add over 3. But my goal is to have this hold this level. We begin to dip back down. I'm not liking that. There's lots of red. Look at all that red that starts to show up on the time and sales. Look at all that red. I'm like, well, this is not to my liking. So I exit it right there. Boom. Exit, get out. It goes all the way back down to the 90 MA. Nice increase in volume here on this new push. So then the second trade is right here. You can see we've come all the way down here to the 90 MA, okay? Now we come back up and we break over VWAP again. Volume is nice. So I'm like, okay, we're gonna try this again. I tried to get in down here, but I hesitated and I got in a little bit later. So I'm in at 288 again, 500 shares. I'm looking to add over 3, okay? Boom, there I add. You could see that, watch, we'll do it again. I'm in 500 shares, watch my mouse hovering over the buy. Boom, I buy right there at $3. New cost basis is $295 with 1,000 shares. And I'm looking to take half off up here at $320. Okay, this is a really short trade. Oh, meanwhile, UONE opened up. And like I said, you know, it opened up, it dipped down because we got stopped right there in front of the high day. But now we broke through it and it looks like we're going to halt again. That's ridiculous. So we're in 1,000 shares, 295. Hit that play button again. Volume is increasing nicely. So I'm like, okay, this is great because I'm in at $3. This thing, $3.50, then $4. It can happen. It's a low float and we've seen those moves happening lately. So I'm holding on. I still have my 1,000 shares. You see I'm up $210 right there, but I'm not taking it. I'm already down in the day. What was I down? Like $100, I want to say. I want to say it's like about $100 I was down on the day. Oh my God, UONE is really starting to go. That $17 entry was prime. So I put on an order just to get rid of, because I'm not, you know, volume is increasing, but we're struggling there. Like really, this should have gone at least up here to, you know, 330, 340 at least. So I put on an order there at 320 to get rid of half. You'll see we'll get a little push there. We got a little push there. I only got a partial fill. Watch this. Watch. Boom. 594 shares left. So I only sold, you know, a few hundred there. I got left with 94 extra shares. Okay. So only got, you know, I got left with 94 extra shares there from 520 fill. So I cancel it. I cancel the remaining shares. I leave them there for a minute, but I cancel it eventually. And ideally, what I would have wanted to happen here, and this was my plan, I wanted $3 to hold, give it time for this 90 MA to cross over VWAP, and then we'd send this, you know, for a moonshot. Volume was great, but we started to get that action. I'm like, all right, well, goodbye. So I stop out of those. My average on those last 594 shares was 299. So I stop out of those right there and call it a trade. What happens next is another bail before the fail, because we got a quick little push to 325 within that same candle, and then boom, we fail it all the way back down. So it was a good take profit, a good bail before the fail, you know, just like that t-shirt, a good bail before the fail. And I'll leave the link to the t-shirt in the comment section for you. And that was it. So that was it on that one for me. And right now, look, quick little pop here, but look how it struggles. I mean, look, ideally at this point, I would like for it to, it's 11:15. It could break out now, but ideally I would prefer it to come back down, 250, and then just trade, between 275 and 250 all throughout lunch. Out of lunch, let's break over VWAP, okay, with volume, and then it's, that's a possible entry. Break over this 325 area for an add, and then we get that squeeze to 4. That would be my ideal plan moving into the afternoon. So let's see what it does. On another note, UONE, look at that, all the way to $23, guys. Right before, guys, I was saying the $17. Man, but you know what? Look at this spotty volume. It's so ridiculously light, with the exception of this one candle and these right here. And I don't do well trading low volume plays. I just don't. So it is what it is. The chart setup was nice. It was really, really nice right there. Boom, for that $17 entry that I mentioned at the start of the video. But hey, it is what it is, guys. Can't cry over spilled milk. Let me show you my orders here, my P&L. My first trade, I was down $100. Then, my follow-up trade made up for it. I'm up just under $50 on the day. Like I said yesterday, all I wanted to today was be up, be green. And I didn't care if it was $50, $100, $200 or 2,000. I didn't care. I just wanted to be green, and I'm green today. So that's all that matters to me right now. I'll keep monitoring the market. We'll see what happens. If not, if I'm done for the day, tomorrow's a new day, and we'll continue on with this, real good streak I have this month. So really happy with that. Let me know how you did. Drop it in the comment section below. I hope you had a great day, and I'll catch you on the next one.